So welcome back. Now that we've been able to learn enough few tutorial on a Kingdom Technology blogger to beginner, we have been able to learn how to create posts. I've told you some things about stats and comment. Then in that last time we create page. So you can see some important major page we need for our blog now, and I told you the difference between post and page. That is, page is for showing a customized, that is not an article. Any content that is not an article, that is a customized, maybe you want to include some link, that is some other things, you use page for it. So but post is used for your blog articles, the articles you want to publish on your blogs. So that's that. So today we'll be going to how to make our blog a little bit beautiful. So I told you that we'll be doing something like this blog, like this one. So this time around I will have to so let's do something. For you to, this is a free theme, free blogger theme. You can find some. I changed, we have some default theme here. So but it's not always it's not that awesome. So when our blog is visited, it will be like it will not be so much awesome like that. So that's why I will, this time around in this episode, I will be demonstrating how to use a customized theme and how to do some little things like changing the menu like this, and making sure that you have some of this sidebar and the like. So you can see the customized page. So I'm using a new blogger layout or so, I don't know. So if you can see this, we can customize our theme here. If we are using using blogger default theme, we can use this customize. But since we are, because it follows bloggers layout, so it is very easy to use. So but for the fact that we are not using for the fact that I want to be using blogger a customized theme now, that is some other external theme will be using, will not be able to use this customized. So let me we want to change our theme now. So you can just go to edit HTML. So here you this where we are going to, so let me show you some few ways to get your free theme or paid blogger theme. So this is a site, we have bigtemplate.com. You can get many of the blogger free theme there. So you can as well go to Google and search blogger free responsive theme or template anywhere. So you can see, you can follow through many of them, but any theme you'll be choosing, make sure it is not complex. Because simplicity should also be considered. So very simple, not complex. Visitor can easily navigate through your content. So as well, you can also follow the link below here and like to just get your theme. So for this theme, I've gotten it. Let me quickly browse the text. I saved it somewhere. Okay, so let's copy it, and so go back to our, I click edit HTML the other time. Let me go back so that we can start. I downloaded it, and this is the script. Here you open it, Ctrl C, you copy it. So you go to edit HTML, then you paste it. So let me do an example. Let's say I want to download this theme now. So you download it here. So after the downloading, then you open it in the folder. You open it in folder, show in folder. So every blogger theme you download is going to show you in a zip form like this. So the next thing is that you extract it. So it is extracted now. So you open the folder, and inside the folder you will see a dot grid. So you see xml. So you open that xml, so and you will see something. This html I copied the other time, so you copy it and you, let's say, yeah, so you now go back to your blogger and to your blogger edit template. So you control A, you paste. So after pasting, you just save. So updated successfully. So let's go back to our blog now. So let's view our blog again. So you can see our blog is looking differently now. So we have some default menu here and some layouts and the likes. So let me teach you how to set up this view now. I've told you how to download. When you download, you unzip it, then you copy the XML content, then you paste it inside your customize. So go back to layout now. So this is your layout, and this is where you control the layout of your blog, just like the name implies. So now I want to, I showed a category here. Let's say I want to add category now, and don't forget I told you that you use label to categorize your post in Blogger. So you can just go to add widget. Add widget is loading. So, and in this widget you can do many things in Blogger with it. You can add page header, your follower. So for the category now, don't forget I said you use what's it called, you use label to categorize your post. So you can just go to this place, you find a label there. I saw it the other time. So you find label, insert label, plus. So you click this plus button, which will give you the label. So you put label, now you can write the title of this widget. Now every widget must have a title. It's going to show you. So let's say I want to show all the categories for my post. So I just categories. So another beautiful thing here is that you can select the category you want to show, the label you want to show. We only have one label here, which is called Bible study. So you can select it, then you show it, save. So it's saving. So you can see now it's having our categories here. Now go back to your blogger. You can do some cool things with this, some other cool things. This is the category that is there before, and this is the one we just created. So then that's how you can add some other layout to your blog. Just you can just see it here. So center, and just the way you are seeing it in the other place. So this is the main blog page, the sidebar. So this one now is the ads. You can enable it, and you may choose to disable it. So let's go to our logo. Do you see all this customization? I just want you to get the idea of it. Then you can use it for any theme you get from any other website. So now you go to logo here, edit logo. So you can see I have a default image here. This is it. This one is an image. So you can get the width, get the dimension of this get the dimension. The image is here, but because it's a white image, you cannot see it here. I made it a PNG white image. Then the position, I put it instead of title and description here. So you can have your title and description, and as well, so you can remove the image. If I want to put my customized image now, I will remove this one. Then when I remove it, let me see if I still have it on my system. Okay, it's here. Let's remove it and put it again. So okay, remove image. So you can put a web address here. So let's choose another. Okay, let's save and refresh our page so that you see what I'm trying to do. So refresh our blog. You notice that it will only show the name of the blog here. Can you see? So let's put a customized image now. Choose from computer. Okay, so the image uploaded. Now I put it instead, save, then refresh. Can you see it's here now? So let me explain how to change the menu. We are going to add our page now. So here you see many ones close. Let me delete. Okay, don't let me delete about us. I want to, okay, edit menu. So let me delete all. Let's leave this one. So let's say I want to add my category, a link to my Bible study category now. That is, I want to, I have a post that I've categorized under Bible study. So let's say I want to, okay, then I'll go to my blog. I'll go here. I have a label here. I have a widget that is showing my categories already. So I'll just right click, copy link address, come back here, come back to my so then Bible study, that's the title, Bible study. Then sorting, let me leave that one. Then site name, I'll put Bible study again, Bible study. So the link now, I will now paste it here. So I don't want to set maximum link. I want it to show all. So I'll just do like this, clear everything till you get to the name Bible study. So then add link. So I want to add a link to our about us page. So you can just go to, you open a new tab so that you can use that to get your okay. So you get, so let's say I want to include the same way you include this contact us page now, that's the same way you will include every other page. So this view now, it will show you the URL to show your the contact us page. So I'll just say copy link address, then go back to the menu editor, then this one, shift it down, then contact us, then paste the URL. So add link, then save. So let's review our blog post, refresh it. So with this, you can see home, Bible study, contact us. So that's that for theme and layout with our tutorial. So you can see our blog is becoming more nice, so you can do more customization. So thank you, see you in the next it should be the last episode of this tutorial, where I will be explaining this the settings, how you can do some other settings on your blog. Well, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, so that you can see our release over time. The Lord be with you. Thank you.